In this video, we shall discuss about the topic AP or arithmetic progression. In short form, we can write arithmetic progression as AP. So its definition is a sequence A1, A2 to AN is called arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence if AN plus 1 is equal to AN plus T, where small n belongs to capital N, where small a is called first term and the constant term D is called common difference of the AP. So for better understanding of arithmetic progression, we can take example of this. So our example is find the sum of odd integer from 1 to 2001. Here we have to find the sum of odd integer from 1 to 2001. So in this we have to apply the formula of arithmetic progression. So now we solve it. Odd integer from 1 to 2001 are 1, 3, 5 to 2001. These are the odd integers. So here, therefore, A is equal to 1, D is equal to difference. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. That is the difference. So our D is 2 and here given last term L is equal to 2001. So we have formula L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where n is called number of terms. So we have to put this value in this formula. So we get here L is equal to 2001 last term, here last term is equal, A is equal to 1 plus n number of terms n minus 1 into D is the difference. So our D is 2. So 2001 minus 1 is equal to 2000 is equal to 2 multiplied by n minus 1. So here n minus 1 is equal to 2000 upon 2, that is by dividing 1000. So n minus 1 is equal to 1000. N is equal to 1000 plus 1, this one. N is equal to 1001. So next, required sum. Here we have to find out the sum of odd integers. So we can apply here formula. Therefore Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus last term. So we have to put all this value here. We have to find out n by this formula. So now we have to find out the sum of odd integer. So we can get n. So apply n in this formula. Apply the value of this in formula. Apply the value of Al. So we have to find out the sum of odd integer. So now we can put all these value in this formula. So we get n is equal to 1001 upon 2. Our A is 1 plus last term is 2001. So 1001 upon 2, this is 2002 multiply by dividing, this is 1001. 1001 multiply by 1001, this is equal to 1002001. So this is our solution. So here by this way we have to solve the AP arithmetic progression. In this sum of odd integer, here we have to calculate the sum of odd integer. So we have to calculate n. So we apply this formula and we have to find the sum of odd integer. Then we have to apply Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus n, this formula. So and last we have to calculate the sum of all integer, that is 1002001. This is the sum of odd integer from 1 to 2001.